it seems like
last week. This,
in the last week,
yeah,
final week of 2025.
yeah,
So it seems like the Ukraine is being left on a limbo again.
yeah,
So even hope, but now they were like left hanging somewhere, you know.
yeah,
So quite. Just hoping that all this will quickly end. Yeah. Then then everyone else will be focusing more on economy and all that stuff. But no choice, you know. We are not the one in control. Yeah.
yeah.
BTC
And
now under 90 still, still not under 90,000.
yeah, now, now I see you have the chuggy, the the chuggy bag.
This one.
Yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah.
so I wanted to get the Hello Kitty one, but I ordered the
Oh,
wrong stuff, so they gave me the normal one. Yeah.
yeah,
So I think in the last 2-3 weeks they have this promotion for the chocolate something flavor,
yeah,
chocolate flavor something. Yeah,
yeah.
and then it came with a Hello Kitty uh, cup. I mean, it's printed Hello Kitty, you know, and then they have the picture, the carrier. Yeah. So, but anyways, that's my first time having this chargy
Yeah,
in Singapore. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, I realized the price that you pay for one cup of chargy in
yeah.
Singapore is pretty close to the price you're paying in Malaysia. Yeah.
Oh,
So I think it's probably a similar case elsewhere. So
yeah.
it's not like, oh, here is $6 and there is ringgit. No, there is like you multiply by three. You know?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So you're still paying nearly the same price, but of course maybe it is not. If it is Sing dollars here, it's not 18 there, it's maybe 16, 17, which is slightly lesser, but well, the amount of money you take to travel there. But of course, a lot of people go there is for many other things except except going only for this chargy, right? So
Yeah,
it is still a plus at some point. Yeah. So the thing about going over to the border, I saw, wow, there's so many people um, because of the last weekend and also because of the Christmas. So many people actually make plans to go, and they all stuck at. Yeah, not a fun thing to do. I saw someone posted, "This is my Christmas mistake." Number one.
yeah,
uh, I don't know, I hope we don't have any Christmas mistake when we do investment, right? When we do
yeah,
crypto investment. Let's hope that the things that we do are not mistakes. And of
yeah,
course, in the political world, there are a lot of mistakes around, but let's hope that things get better in 2026. Yeah, so
yeah,
many things we see happening right now, all the uh, political bullying, political threats, the political, I don't know, anything that has got to do with politics in the West. You see them trying to pull people into something that's very far more dangerous than we think it is. That is the thing about war. You know, it is far more
yeah,
dangerous and far more damaging than just a three-letter word war, because everything this thing itself is causing Bitcoin price to drop or rise. It's causing institution to make have make urgent decision, or maybe when they invest, they suddenly say, "Oh, I need some liquidity," and then I just pull out. So a lot of things do happen uh, when it comes to instability. The word called instability, where we talk about because the war affects a lot of institutions' decision in the stock
yeah,
market as well. Because we all know uh, the demand and supply for many things are part and parcel of the stock market rise and fall. Yeah, Mr. Richard.
yeah. Recently I hear that you said you mentioned about the stock market. As I see, the SP 500 now got the new all-time high. Uh, uh, and SBC, SMBC. What is the SP 500? Yeah. It's go differently. Yeah. Now, SP 500 reached the new all-time high this day. Uh, for for with the oh why now I see from Google it say that it look like the why the difference between the stock market with the crypto market this day uh, when Fed try to uh, uh, pump the money into the market through the repo. It look like make the add a little bit oil for the engine to work better. Yeah, not completely send all the money to the market. Yeah, just only 7 billion from Fed to the repo for the very short term liquidate for, for the bank from Fed just a little bit. It also may help the bank can bump up can is a little bit send to the market. Yeah, it stimulate the market a little bit. Yeah, and now we see the SP 500 got the new all-time high. Back to the crypto, a lot of people say why the price of the Bitcoin back to um, 87,000. Last week we also see 87,000. Yeah, the answer maybe here the Bitcoin price drop below 88,000 ahead because of the 28 billion option expiry. Yeah, with the option expiry, when I see in the detail of the article, also explain say that some of the max band and say the max band of the price and the low um, uh, uh, what the target, yeah, price action. When I tell the Gemini to summarize this article, we see the price action Bitcoin drop below 88,000 after falling to hold the 90,000 level. Ethereum ETH also retreated falling under 3,000. The institutional ship the CCO character the current market as a policy-driven super circle, making a move away from the purely speculative circle toward the institutional maturity. Yeah, we also see the record option expire, the volume over 28 0.5 billion in the BTC and ETH options are set to expire on this Friday on the repeat the largest expire in the exchange history. Open interest. This expiration represents more than half of the database total open interest, 52.2 billion. In the technical trading level, the maximum band point for the Bitcoin is 96,000. It means
Mm.
if we can reach the 96,000 is the max band for the SPY. The key support would there's a significant concentration of the boost at the 85,000 strike, 1.2 billion in open interest. Trader sentiment. Traders are rolling defensive position from December into January, while midterm call the target around 102,000 or 125,000. But the short-term protective would have become more expensive, signaling immediate caution. Yeah, that's some of the the trader analysts they say if the Bitcoin is around reach around 93,000, this means this
Mm.
this year we'll have the last candle in green candle because uh, coin glass it because we see in the coin glass uh, glass the glass node or coin glass I forgot. Bitcoin return yearly because now we see Bitcoin return monthly December around 2.98%. Yeah, with the with the with the waterfall, Bitcoin's uh, negative 23.08% in the quarter four. Yeah, is is so we may have the negative in the Bitcoin. Yeah. That's why some people they expect the Bitcoin may reach above 93,000 this to this year to promise the Bitcoin can reach 100 to 125,000 yeah, to reach the next level target. At this moment, Bitcoin may go for the holiday too. Try to the holiday. As Mr. Nicholas and us share in the beginning of the live stream, yeah, we are listening. This is the Christmas Eve. Um, uh, Today is 24 of December 2025. Yeah, is Christmas Eve, and at this time, Bitcoin price around 87,000. Yeah, may maybe it's still okay. It's still okay with us because a few years ago, Bitcoin price is just if we compare with the last Christmas, yeah, Bitcoin Bitcoin price every uh, Christmas comparison. Let me compare Bitcoin price Bitcoin Christmas. Yeah. Here's from the 1 years ago. This article 1 years ago, uh, 2012 to 2013 Christmas. Uh, from the Christmas Bitcoin is around 10 $11 after Christmas. Uh, the the last day of the last week of the Christmas, we may see Bitcoin price go significant, very high, and we move to the next 4 years, right? Next 4 year, next circle. we see the Bitcoin price is around 750, and now it's the Christmas after Christmas. It's reached around 9,000 on 2018. Oh, this 2018. This too long, and this is also comparison with they use this chart is a 1 month chart, not the 1 year chart. So with the Christmas 2020, the Bitcoin after that Bitcoin 4 times, this 4 times, this 7 times, this after Christmas 2020. We see on Christmas 2024, Bitcoin price around 77,000, yeah, and now also similar with this. Yeah. And so this circle is sometimes is very totally different with this. Yeah, we all
Yeah,
see
yeah.
this. Yeah, this
If
this
you
will
look at the
happen.
line,
Yeah,
yeah, if you look at the trending line, right?
yeah,
So from the screen, yeah. So from 2012 to 2001 end of 2013, uh, from 2012 beginning to end of 2013, which is reaching 2014, the price actually is like on an uptrend kind of thing, right? So if
yeah,
we draw an imaginary line for the last one on the right, which is from 2022, no, 2022, 2024 is the Christmas point, right? Then after that,
yeah,
uh, but 2024 is the one in the middle,
yeah,
or 2024 Christmas. Then 2025, uh, what's the price for 2025? We are still hanging at 80 something, right? So maybe
yeah,
next year you can start to imagine the line going up towards 175,000.
yeah, yeah,
I don't expect it to reach 275,000 because that is a little bit too ambitious, right?
yeah,
So maybe 175,000 at the end of 2016, perhaps. I mean 2026, sorry. Yeah. So I'm just trying to imagine at the end of 2026, maybe it's 175, because next year is 20 now is 2025 Christmas. Next month is 2026 already. Yeah.
yeah. Next month is 2026. That's why now I also see some of the articles share about Saramuchi. I I let 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 me try to get it. He comment that uh, Trump like Bitcoin, but he don't know how to make the price is up, because it's hard for him to maintain not only crypto but also the economy. Yeah, when he
Uh,
focus on economy, yeah, economy in the world. Of course, some of the fund, the money must move from the crypto to economy first. After that, after economy is strong enough, so it can switch back to crypto. I Some of the news from the Telegram I found is about let me get here is it's it say about the Russia bank now allow Russia bank of the Russia consider allow unqualified investor to purchase crypto. Yeah, it's also the good information for us to know that. Let me
Actually,
yeah
talking about the bank of the central banks of different countries allowing different things that's going on, right? Yeah, so because right now, even for the US, when they keep attacking China, right? So they'll try to restrict China from doing A B C D E F G whatever. But at the end of the day, China is still doing much stronger. It's the same thing as how they are trying to they were trying to contain Russia, but Russia is still going on strong, you know. So they still have their ways to continue to make their economy go on, and some say their economy will become better and all. Yeah, so at the end of the day, um, as traders, we when we look at how much these political leaders are trying to pin each other down, so we look for opportunities when we invest. Yeah, so of course, those extreme one, like when US trying to pull Venezuela in something, then we'll just at that point, for me, I'll just, okay, for the moment, I'll just watch and look and see how it goes, and then I'll invest in something that is moving on a safe pace, so that I don't, if the market just go down, I don't lose too much. Yeah, so that's how I move in the market. Yeah, so this silver, Mr. Richard, silver
Mhm.
crossed $70 milestone, gold extend record run. So in a time like this, where so much uncertainty, right? All
Yeah,
because of the war. Why?
yeah,
Uh, that's why the Bitcoin market there is experiencing a larger movement,
yeah,
larger volatility. But things like silver and gold, they are like getting more and more healthy, you know, getting
yeah,
stronger and stronger.
yeah. That's right.
So this
It's
is telling us that this gold, silver, there has always been a trustworthy form of a reserve that we should be
yeah,
looking at, right?
yeah. That's right. And we also got the news about the Coinbase. The Coinbase now enable SOL deposit through the SOL via the base network. Yeah, this news coming from what Hulu. Here
Is
is
there a
from X.
gold stable coin?
No. The goal stable coins BA BA RRX. Yeah, here is BA is from the coin market cap.
I
You
think I
can
think very soon, very soon we will all be needing gold stable coin to trade,
no have there's
and gold stable coin
BA
become the
BASG
there
BASG
is
here.
but I'm foreseeing, yeah, PSG, right? I'm
Yeah.
foreseeing, just like USDT, there's USDC, there's US whatever, and all those US stablecoin. So one
Yeah.
find is there'll be so many of these gold stablecoin coming up that we'll all be switching to the gold stablecoin because USD is no longer a strong currency to look at. And since it's no longer a strong currency to look at, then the USD stable coins will probably
Yeah.
lose its appeal. You know what I mean? Yeah. So if gold stable coins, uh, if there are more options for gold stablecoin, I think we'll all be switching to gold stablecoin instead of USDT when it comes to stablecoin to
Yeah.
build our value, build our whatever portfolio. Yeah. What do you think, Mr. Richard?
But I can't find the silver stable coin.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is. Yeah, maybe they will add soon. Now today we see the unconcision is only 17 per 100. Yeah. It look like now people on the holiday fever and they don't care about what's market about, um, and they also don't care about the fear and risk index. Yeah. Um, uh, Now today the fear and risk index is 29. 29 we are uh, around the fear figure. Yeah, and with the unconcision, look like we are far from the unconcision. Only 17. Yeah. Now we are at the big concision. Yeah. Under under the number of under the 25, under the 25 is Bitcoin season. Now we have after Bitcoin move up, yeah, then we can go to the unconditional is for a long time. Let's see the top 100 coin performance. Now today, less of the coin go up. Oh, I also can see the BIG is a wrong one, and the red is a normal one. The Z is Mac and bit, yeah, some of the this one is on the is also the wrong this the wrong stablecoin from the other chains. BISG and SAUT. Yeah. SAUT, the same company with the USDT. Yeah. And BIXG is in the different company, but also based on the Coinbase and something. Let me for a long time I do the research of this one. Here we see yeah, Bus is also belong to the Baxgo owner. BIX Baxgo is a gold back cryptocurrency launched by Crypto Baxo. Yeah, Baxo standard BIX in September 2019. Yeah. They have a one with this. Yeah. Some investor, yeah, they focus on some of the goal something, so they can choose this, and some investor. Oh, I remember yesterday I have I read the article. It's about the topic about when the gold rise, the gold the gold hit the new all-time highs, and what is the answer for the Christmas Bitcoin? Choose the Bitcoins or gold. Here's uncopies here. What that here? What currency? Let me find some of the. It say that it's a topic. Yeah, it said why the market down. Oh, what is trend? What topic? Don't have this chat with the AI. Yeah. So let me try to the question why the market down today. Yeah, we have the answer from the CoinMarketCap AI. They say that the reason first is bearish impacts from the international demand cooling. Yeah, the second derivative liquidation cascades, also the bearish impact. Third, the uncoin fear deepens. Unconcision is lower, only 3% of uncoin above 200-day support. What means investor fleet high beta asset for Bitcoin amid the fear-driven condition. Fear index only 29 per 100. Stablecoin reserve on the exchange dropped 1.9 billion in 30 days. In conclusion, today decline reflect a triple threat. Yeah. Uh, we know the reason why the bitcoins and all the crypto uh, market is going down. Yeah, and now we hope that in the next few days, the end of this year, the bitcoin can reach above 93,000, and now it's only
Hopefully,
28,000. um
yeah.
yeah, Mr. Nicholas.
Hopefully, like you say, maybe
Yeah,
you'll
yeah.
reach 90,000 before the close of the year.
Yeah, and it's also time for us to complete the live stream this early morning. Yeah, hope you have a nice Christmas Eve uh, and with your family, and hope you trade safely and smartly. Yeah. See you in our next live stream, Mr. Nicholas. You
All
say
right, see you
something?
in our next live stream. You have seen how Mr. Richard has been using the AI to find out some information, and if you are in doubt in some things, sometimes using these AI functions in the things that you're looking for, you'll be able to find some information, and then after that you can use that information and validate and make sure that other platforms are speaking of the same tune. Yeah, so of course you after that you make your own decision from there, and we hope you make some money. We see you in the next live stream. Bye bye.
Yeah, see you in the next live stream. Goodbye.